The program doesn't start again from where we say we start before we say we did that break. And the name of the program, Good Morning from Benin, the Richie from Independence Television. Today is Friday, yesterday, the Thursday, today for yesterday, everybody gathered in the way to see the results. Also, the tribunal will talk for the matter when they say concerns the former Vice President, PDP candidate, Atiku Abubakar, and the political party PDP draw President Muhammadu Buhari who court say he's not supposed to become president. They talk many things then. That one was the talk the hour back. But we want to look at this matter now. See how it be, the tribunal judgment, how it be, how it takes them. We get to people we see for our house, we say people talk for this matter. We see how they see the matter from their own eye. We could look the matter. We'll get first here our brother and friend, Obo Christian. Welcome to the program.
Thank you, my brother.
Bless you. Tony and Nile, and one person will say you don't see with us all the time. People don't even talk about and stuff of it. Tony, welcome to our program. I start to introduce Christian. Make I start from you, Alile. The judgment come on Wednesday and all of that. How you see the judgment for the tribunal when we say concern the election of or the matter when we say Atiku Abubakar PDP carry go court concerning the election of Muhammadu Buhari as president?
Well, first of all, good morning, my people. Let me first of all make I congratulate President Buhari for that victory. That I one down, because however the matter be that day, they first still go to the next level, will be Supreme Court. So when I say one down, the lower tribunal, that is the Court of Appeal, don't do their own. And with the year now say the other party won't go to Supreme Court. So by God's grace, the final victory will come from them. I'm saying welcome development. And I also want to thank our brother Atiku for starting that tribunal thing in the first place. Why I say I go thank him be say things like this, it is build and strengthen our democracy. Yes. It is good for the system. It is good for people to know. So if you feel aggrieved over something, you don't need to take law into your hand. You go to court. And when I take a go court, I happy say go court. So that at the end, the man go reach ground and say, you know, to win the election.
But like make you apologize now. Nigerians say because what you do say they're wrong, so you're not supposed to go court. You can't waste Nigerian time, waste Buhari, President Muhammadu Buhari time and all of that.
Well, I think Dana La Mohammed position. Now how he feel. Now how me feel. Me, I sit down here as Tony Alile, representing Tony Alile, not representing government, party, or anybody. Now how me feel. Let me talk and so. So for the man to go court, it make him feel say he want to go exercising right. Say he believes say that he win election. And court can read everything, including the matter say our God president no go school, our God president do this, he do that, serve a matter. Court explain everything, and I'm sure, in spite of the fact that they still want to go to Supreme Court, but Atiku go leave there now that day, go sit down and say, I be not see this matter like this, so I be not seeing like this. So it's good for the democracy.
Okay. We'll come to you, my brother. Christian Obo, how will be your reaction to the judgments when we say the tribunal give?
First and foremost, I want to thank my brother because he make very salient point. He say he appreciate the fact say Atiku go court because na wetin democracy provide for am be that. Where you feel cheated, where you feel aggrieved, he say the only people to address the issue constitutionally as mandated na where Atiku go so. But unfortunately, he couldn't get justice.
Yeah. No get justice.
He not get justice.
He don't get victory.
He not get justice. Now, words are properly guided. Okay. He not get justice. Thank God, this is my personal opinion, and I believe, saying that the opinion of Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. That is why they go Supreme Court, go appeal the judgment of the tribunal. With all due respect to the justices of the tribunal, it surprises us most times for this country when matter reach court. They will leave the substance of the matter. They will look for technicalities to I don't want to say divert justice, go the wrong side. I don't know how they operate like that. It's very unfortunate anyway. But the most important thing is this, that the justice that Atiku Abubakar did not get at the tribunal, I so much believe.
What will be the whole way you pick for inside the judgment? Maybe because you talk and say this.
What I just pick there is this. I look the proceedings.
In talk and just not say for book work, say the court don't analyze and say the way it's supposed to be. You don't analyze. If you watch the proceedings where the judge they read them, they talk, you will listen to one very salient point. They hammer on qualification. That the petitioner, PDP and Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, said President Buhari not qualified to run or contest as president of this country. But the tribunal said that Buhari qualified on the ground that the certificate issue where PDP bring, Buhari get am because say his certificate this also and this man is so affidavit for so and so place. For that reason, the PDP suppose prove to us say but wetin Atiku Buhari go swear for here and there not be true, na lie. Not. But for God's sake, it just be like thank God I seen 2 years old to Nyalile. Then I go come ask and say Oga, abeg, I hear say you be BSc holder. Abeg, where your certificate wey you take qualify? He will come and return the question back to me, say, let me go find out by myself whether he get certificate or not. And when you say you get something, you just present am. That's what we expected the court to do. To say, okay, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar say, Buhari, you not get a certificate to go bring am. That wasn't the matter. Instead, they were rigmaroling and looking for a way out. Okay. And that's why we are going to the Supreme Court. Okay. The way you talk now, you talk and say, like say the judge now, like they favor President Muhammadu Buhari for these aspects of certificates. But think of what you talk. Maybe you go somewhere now, you want to look for work. And this by this time you look for, you get your own business and rest, you know what you do. Maybe you come out, so you want to look for work. You come out when you reach it, don't say minimum qualification. Now BSc, make we use the one you say reach.
Yes.
When you reach that, you say you go submit her according to Ramo. You say you go submit her. Then when they look and say, okay, correct, you know correct. Or they'll go check and say, okay, now Unibe, go check out the system. You go through, you no go through. But now the man they tell us, say, according to Ram now, say, say, now you're supposed to come prove him again. Say the man gets or don't get.
Okay. But I first start with the first one way in talk just now. If you can't ask me, say, they say you get this certificate. I say yes. But I'm not sure say you get and where am. What you doing there for me? You they come meet me on my time. You they come ask me for something. When I tell you, I don't already tell you, say yes. And you say no. The burden of proof is in you. Now you go prove them. Say me talk, say I get them, I not get them. That are one. If you all of us watch the judgment that day when they read them. The judge talk am, say, yes, this man, that school where they say that Katsina Provisional School, how they call them, now when the Federal Government College Katsina now say, we Atiku and PDP say no they exist, say it existed at that period. That are one. Two, the principal of the school, letter when they write, when at the Buhari one joint soldier, they bring them. Then three, people they we go that school, we still there alive, we get photo evidence. Say me and this man go school. He did. Yes. Buhari not find in certificate. A man when the Buhari age, my brother, if you ask me as I sit down here, say with my primary 6 certificate, I don't know where he did. Okay. When I won contest election last time, now I swear, say I don't see him. Because I go the next level of school. Before I enter the next level of school, they will ask for that first one first. If you see all the trainings where Buhari don't go through for in life, now as you take the enter the next level, that they will take the clear your paper, if they go. And secondly, that judge talking that day say for constitution, say they don't even say you must go school, pass for secondary school, unfortunately. And there is a fact, say Buhari go school. There is a proof, my brother, without evidence, wait now. I just want just now. Before you come out from primary school, enter secondary school, they will check your primary school. Yes. Before you come out from secondary school, enter university, don't check your secondary school. Before you from there go in for another one still, they will check your university. So now so then they check Buhari own, they come to the point. Buhari go school for UK. He go for America, and they come before he reach all these points. Would I say they don't see in primary school certificate?
Wait first, make I tell you one thing. I recall say at a point, the Muhammadu Buhari say his certificate, everything, say they with Nigeria Army.
Yes. Yeah, they come there just now.
They say they with Nigeria Army. They commit the call for you. He say they for with Nigeria Army. But Nigeria Army can't come and say those things not deal with. And all of that. Which one you come to say that one will be paid you already on the
No, let me tell you something. If you ask me now, say, where can I find my primary school certificate, for instance, I will tell you, say, it did with NEPA. Because I worked with NEPA far back 1984. I will say it did with NEPA, or my secondary school, I will say it did with NEPA. That is, if I don't feel see them again, God forbid fire enter house or my certificate lost. The place when I know, say when I go apply for school for work, they take them from me, they look at before they give me work, they photocopy them. I'll feel they talk, say he did there, make them go find out. That is what Buhari has. If Buhari not talk him one day, if you say talk up, play me with that on television. Say he pack his certificate in here. He said when he enter soldier, those certificates they request for them.
And he give them to them.
He give them to them.
How you take what you say yes, say like coach say no talker.
No deal with them.
Wait first now. Apart from that, you know, I understand, make your point.
So the point I'm trying to make is Buhari, they for not take him for soldier. If you don't get those certificates. You understand? They for not take him, enter soldier if you don't get him. And now from there, the man begin to get in promotion, they come. That's the way he rise to the position of a major general for army. There was a point along that line when they go ask with your paper.
Okay. May I come to you, my brother? See, if you look all of these things now, the judge tell us in his own wisdom, or the judges, the panel of judges, of justices, they tell us, see the way it be, say, they check him because you not be lawyer. Tony, our brother, he not be lawyer.
I know.
Now that they call the matter, say yes, say this thing. Are you trying to say now, say the people waiting for that, they don't know what they say they do?
Thank God.
When they say yes, say they talk and say as it be, because I know say one of the judges talk and say yes, say as long as you can read and write and everything, you see that's part of the requirement. If you become this thing.
I like what you just say. I not be lawyer, he not be lawyer. So we.
And I be saying
talk about
the good news be this: when the judges talk all those things, don't give the judgment finish. Lawyers who they there say this judgment not work. They say that they go.
Some of the lawyers. Why the other ones say?
They say what? So they don't know work. We want to say they don't know book.
And now your word they give them for word now. Say it be now.
So the other time we are going to Supreme Court. But before I come to the other issue, I want to bring point for what he talk because he talk sense well. He said Buhari say when he enter school he apply, he give you this thing. Now who you apply with, who you give your credentials, say they not deal with them. That is a confusing thing. They say you not there. We are talking about the GOC. Now they control the one. He say not do them. Okay, PRO or look for them. Make they go. They say they not there. The judgment, if you look where it is given, the judge say make it very clear. He say the PRO of the Nigerian Army said that they don't get Buhari certificate. Okay, give us a copy of when they apply this. You know, I don't know what they talk. You they say you don't through rank and file for army to become major general. If you not get this, if you not reach like this, if you not get this, if you not reach like this. You know, in this country, a minister of finance will know the prerequisite for becoming SYZ when it comes to federal appointment and state, when you want to work with government. You must get either exemption or you must have served within National Youth Service Corps. The minister, if they work, he not get them. And he undergo clearance.
No, you won't blame. That's not the work of national.
Then we dey talk. The woman can also come out tomorrow to tell you.
Woman can also the National Assembly.
You see, those are the issues when people.
Why they blame? They blame.
Wetin we dey blame the system. Number one.
Okay.
Then we dey blame people wey suppose interpret the system.
Okay.
That's why we go court to interpret the system. If somebody say he give something to somebody, the person wey he say he give say he no dey with am. Is that not enough proof for you to know say wetin that person dey talk say truth not dey?
The man not talk one day say live on with them. He said I presented it to soldier
who you present and give now say he no get the record. Apart from that one, the judge, if you still read that way, the judge, the justices talk, they said that as far Buhari can write, President Muhammad Buhari can read and write. I beg you, with all due respect, you go just carry your camera enter street. You see millions of Nigerians that can read, can write, and they can speak very well. If the guy that comes to the air, they go argue logically. But they know many of them don't get the necessary credentials. They don't have it. But they don't not qualify. Then you can't say because there's a bit read, there's a bit write, they are not qualified. Is that the issue? If that is the issue, we for not say okay, for you to become a reporter in RTV, you must possess BSc in mass communication from a reputable university or polytechnic. You for not your put, you for say anybody who sabi read and write, who sabi speak good English, just come. You just not saying that one I will tell employ those people. The constitution does say for so and so person to become so and so person for this country, maybe president, governor, whatsoever, he must possess SYZ certificate. They don't say he must be read and they say he must possess that. Now the person will say okay, say him get and we agree, we not argue that aspect. We say okay, show us, bring and come. Okay.
If that's not just the matter of the qualification.
No, not be only that one. Not be only that one bring the issue. The other issue that we also say is not still clear to us for the judgment. Now the issue of say the court say PDP not defend their claim of malpractice, irregularities, the way they say the process of the election. Unnecessary voting, ringing and what have you. It's very unfortunate.
No, but for that one, person when you talk for something, the only for that person to prove it.
That's all right.
Yes.
So they don't feel proven according to the listing.
You see,
they don't feel proven. Wait. Tell you, see, from the evidence before me, nobody go argue the case for you and all of that. Even if a judge, they assisted at the fight now, are they in the fight? Are they here? That kind of matter come my court. Either I excuse myself more for the matter, or I don't go put myself inside the matter because. Whether I did it or not, I'm not fit to say yes, I did it until it happened.
May God bless you.
So
that is why. May God bless you. That is why I said, in the wisdom of the PDP aspirants and his lawyers, they said they are appealing the judgment because we have seen situation for Nigeria here. A judge, very unfortunate, judge go just preside over a case. He will make ruling because say after you make the ruling, the highest you can do is to go and appeal.
Now judiciary we carry their matter come here.
But I'm sorry, sir. But because you can't remove it.
Let her make it point.
But the same, you see, we in this country, judge make judgment here. He say this person not guilty of XYZ crime. The person just come out here, you reach London. They just give judge, they just look the paper. The same paper, almost said they go with the discuss here where they say nothing happened. They prove that for abroad. They just say it happened. And he was sentenced.
So what you're trying to say is we get...
So that is why we said we are going to Europe.
We get made Nigerian justice.
Our justice system, we have said, with all due respect, quite unfortunate. When they get the privilege, the chance to sell record very straight, they will compromise them.
Okay. You see, my brother, quick one. Okay. My brother, which I will tell you, if I see him from the other side, where you take the see him, that's why I go also talk.
Because the only two are when you see.
The one when we see the judgment was fair. Buhari win the election because me come out that they come vote. So for your side,
no, we never talk about.
No, and they come.
Whether it win or not. We talk about the qualification
so for your side, you see them differently. It's normal. Any side we get the judgment that day, go say Nigerian judiciary is the best, and the side we not get up, go say this judgment, you know. Now, you get one when they call her, whether na Akara, cash and carry judgment, black market judgment. So all these things are expected. Yes. The good thing is one level still there, where some where our still go show say what did these people see. Maybe they don't put on glasses where that day wanna see them. So that opportunity is there for you people. But until then, as it stands right now,
President Muhammadu Buhari is duly
elected president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Okay, but if at the end of the day, two things when we say you talk here now. If we talk say the man can read and write, he has the right to contest the election and all that. You know if you say our education standard now is being compromised. If you say they tell you. Because your company now I come, I say I want a job. Since I do you get qualification, you understand? I say yes, I work with ITV before. You understand? You just say okay, you don't go check whether I work with ITV before or not. Or now my master they talk about it, so you just agree like that.
No, if you say you work for ITV before.
And you don't see me for television.
Thomas Saidu,
you don't hear me for television.
I don't see you for television.
No. You don't hear me for television. Don't see me for television.
I they come now. Who never see President Buhari? If they be governor, if they be head of state, I they come.
No, for head of state, when we say be head of state, now military quit.
He was a governor.
Okay.
Buhari don't. You know all those courses when I talk just now say he don't take. He don't work up past them. He work up past them. Whether we want like him or not. So for that your own just now. I know say ITV now very reputable establishment. So before they employ, they go down verify. Let me tell you, now I just take this small one, go back to abroad small, specifically America. The reason why then they always ask for reference is to save them the headache of verification. That's just the truth, because that was in human resources. If me no say you don't work for Citibank, you dey apply for my bank now, Bank One. The only thing I need to do is to find out whether you do bad for Citibank before you come here. Because before I know, say before you rise, reach the position of unit manager for Citibank, your qualification complete. So I will not bother myself to worry about that. You understand? So as far as me I consign, now my own I still dey talk. The judgment where those people give that day was very fair. I don't want me with narrow arm. I don't want me with narrow arm. Me with narrow arm to that statement when the man talk say somebody way feel read and write. Is someone that can be said say he go school. Because if you don't go school at all, then you go hard my brother. Maybe if they read, maybe if they write. He just talk him. He did not say we are basing our judgment on this fact. Say President Buhari if he read, if he write, whether he gets educated or not. He didn't say that. Okay. It was because of talk that he threw away that matter. Okay. When they try, may he prove what the constitution talk. Thank God say me and my brother not be lawyers, so we just be common people. We go talk about series. In the course of proving all those things, now the guy threw away him. Say constitution say. If you attempt at all, you can contest for position. If you reach class 5, you enter exam, you write your name for paper, you come out. Whether you pass or you don't pass, you reach.
But you should proof of
which other proof you want? Where person will teach you talk, say, and I me teach am na my school you go. Which other proof you want?
Okay.
Right. When me and you we go school together, you come and come talk, say me and you go school together. And I tell you say I don't see my certificate. Which other proof you want?
I not graduate.
Okay, no problem. That will not be the issue now. You dey talk about say the PDP and the candidates article they head toward the Supreme Court. Yeah. If they go there, the court say wetin the thing talk for tribunal, now that one I water. Where does that leave us? Because you don't say this because it go be like say I don't know.
That's why I give our senior man here, I give him credit in the beginning. He said, instead of resorting to violence, unnecessary argument, the best way to approach a court of competent jurisdiction. Because now that one constitution provide for us. And democracy, they make us, they do those things where they say, when you go do one, you go get rest of man, me go get rest of man. So I just want to make you know this one. I am very, very optimistic. I just believe that when this matter reaches Supreme Court, that justice will be served.
Okay.
I don't want to believe, say, Supreme Court will do the same way they do for Osun State to wait till they do for Osun State, where they leave the substance of the matter and go they discuss.
With that one.
Where they leave the matter, go they discuss issue of judge will not come, judge will not. They leave the real issue. Go they discuss irrelevant issue.
Listen now. If you now they pick hole for that Osun, that means even before they go to Supreme Court,
you know already give up.
We they tell them. That's why we dey here. That's why we dey here.
What you go ever come out of that Supreme Court when you agree?
That is why we dey here.
Okay.
The reason why we dey here because we want make public input.
Okay.
Say some of those things where they take place there, commonsensically we dey follow am up.
Okay.
When you just dey play on our intelligence, we will still tell you.
Okay. So my brother, if we at the end of the day we can't go Supreme Court, Supreme Court can say what is tribunal talk for grass in or tackle?
Like which side?
No, they go Supreme Court because the judge never say the man was not qualified initially to even contest the election, let alone to win it.
Buhari no own Nigeria. Buhari is not bigger than our law, and it's not bigger than our judicial system. Neither is anybody. So if Supreme Court talk, say wetin lower tribunal talk, say no be so, so be it. But as far as I'm concerned, if now wetin those people talk that day, wetin we know about Buhari, wetin me see, now in they go Supreme Court go align with wetin lower tribunal talk. I don't get problem.
Christian Robo, thank you very much. Thank you so much. I should say next time I get more time if people order for this.
But we coffee, you know, they give person coffee.
The coffee dealer, because I say they don't bring it, he sells the coffee. All right. And then they always they give. That's why this part of the program. The program continue again. Once I can put the web, say a part of her. Once the matter they come like we already put man to see how we take shape and way, and say everybody could understand the whole thing. Not go anywhere. Name of the program go for Benin. Stay with us.